Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. We are going to do a little something different today. Well, I guess it's not any different than any other day, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and do a little review on my wife's car, because a lot of people have asked me what's in her car, how much power she makes, what the interior is, you know, just the basic questions to the car, what's been done. So I'm going to answer those today. So here's her car right here. It's a slight bit dirty, but like I said, we'll kind of ignore that part of it, and then we'll get in the car and take it and get some shots and do the review on it. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, peace. Hey guys, how y'all doing? All right, now we're in my wife's car. We're gonna take a little drive real quick and just talk about it. It is a 2014 California Special, just like mine, but in the sterling gray. It has roughly 32,000 miles on it, and when we bought it, it had like 9, I guess is what it was. It is a manual, and it, like I said, it has a California package to it. The modifications done to this car, it's sitting on a set of Verde wheels on Sumitomo tires. It is...
Phone disconnected.
Phone is disconnected. It has the iBot Pro lowering springs. It has a normal shifter in it. Factory shifter just has the little black ball on it. It has a, I want to say it's a Borla H-pipe that was given to us by one of our friends. And then Corsa Extreme Exhaust has a kickback system. This car is tuned by Kevin Adolph here at Flim Flam Speed. It's a tuner shop here in Richmond, Virginia, and it's presently at 409 horsepower. So she does pretty good for being what it is. Under the hood, it has a Boss 302 manifold with the JBL intake to it. And like I said, that's pretty much all the stuff that's been done to this car. Like I said, it's her daily, so she drives it all the time. And like I said, there's only been so much you can do to your daily without it going like my car. The car kind of drags back and forth. I don't know exactly why. She wanted me to kind of take a drive and see what's up with that. But, up and moves. Like I said, I don't really get to drive this car that often, so. Oh, and it does also have brake motive drill and slotted brakes to it. It's kind of like an eBay company that they sell a lot of stuff out of. So, but the quality is really good too, so it's not like you're buying just crap on there. So all my cars have it, actually. My Expeditions, my Explorers, my son's car, all of us have the brake motives on it. So let's go down here. Yeah, she scoots a little. Park and take some pictures real quick of her, some video, and then we'll come back and show you some of the other stuff. Okay.
pasa, ma chérie? La 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze. J Balvin, Willy William, te gusta. Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta a mi gente y eso se fue muy. Freeze. No le bajamos, mas nunca paramos, es otro palo y blanco. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Que fue a pushar la tête. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? Say yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, luego.
Well, there you go, guys. There's a quick little review on her car. Like I said, there she is. Like I said, I forgot to mention that she has a factory glass roof on it, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I'll have some video in there and you can see it from the inside. And I got a question for y'all. I am getting new wheels. Y'all know this. And these right here may go on her car. So let me know what y'all think, how that's going to look. I've had them on there before, and I thought they looked really good. But like I said, it's going to be more of a permanent thing till we can figure out what's going on with her rims. Because for some reason, when you get going, the car will push one way to the other for no particular reason. So we'll get into that some other time. But anyway, this is her car. I hope y'all enjoyed the little pull that we did, and a little view of what we have done to it, and hope to catch you on the next video. You know, the stuff that y'all need to do. Well, y'all don't need to do it, but I would appreciate if y'all did hit that subscribe button, like button, and leave a comment, because I definitely like talking to y'all. So we'll catch you on the next video, and have a good one. Peace.